In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put a screen into a window that needs it. So the first step is you make sure that you have the right size screen. So I like to just position it right up against the window and tilt it outward. And you want to put the section that has this folded metal, that's gonna go into the rim of the window frame. You're gonna do that for the upper and lower section. And then on the side here, there are little plastic tabs. Grab those and pull towards you to bring in, and do the same on the top. Grab the tab, pull towards you. If it gets a little stuck, make sure that you're still lined up in this section right here. Bring towards you. And now your screen is positioned inside of the window and you're ready to close it with no issues.